Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for your Tidal account if you've forgotten your password during logging in. So keep watching the video till the end to learn the full process, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up your Tidal application from the app drawer, and from the first interface of Tidal, click on the login button in order to end up in the login area. First, type in your email or your user ID in the first text box that is associated with Tidal account. Once you do that, click the continue button and you'll be able to see your password box popping up beneath. If you remember your password, you can easily type it in the text box and click the login button. But if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link beneath. Now, enter your username or your email address on the next pop-up and click the Continue button. You'll be able to receive a verification link that has been sent on your email inbox. So go ahead and open up your email inbox by opening up a web browser. Make sure that you open up the same email that you used while registering for Tidal. You'll be able to receive a reset link on your inbox. Simply give it a click to open, and now click on this link attached to your inbox, which will take you to a new tab. Create your new password that you'd like to reset to in the text box, and once you create your password, reconfirm your password on the next field. Once you create a password and confirm your password, you have an option to log out on all devices. If you've logged in with your Tidal account on any other devices, you can select this option over here and click on the continue button for your security. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset your password successfully for Tidal. Next time you log into your account, you need to go ahead and enter the new password that you just created. That is how you can easily reset your password for Tidal.com account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.